Teacher Win. Today, we're going to make DIY organic fertilizer.
Number 1. Collect banana peels.
Number 2. Collect 2 to 3 eggshells.
And then, make sure to clean eggshells under running water to remove egg white residue and to prevent smell and bacteria. Next, spread shells on a clean plate or tray and air dry for a few hours or dry in sunlight for 1 to 2 hours.
Now prepare other materials.
Cut the banana peels into small pieces so it blends easily. Now, use mortar and pestle to crush the eggshells into small pieces.
Let's mix together.
Now, class, let's mix together. Put the banana peel to the container. Next, the crushed eggshells. And add 2 cups of water in a container. Mix for 30 to 60 seconds. For storage and shelf life, keep concentrate in a sealed labeled bottle or container in the refrigerator for up to 1 to 2 weeks. If fermented at room temperature, use within 3 to 7 days.
Why this works? Because banana peels supply potassium and some phosphorus, which support flowering and root development. And eggshells provide calcium that helps cell wall strength and prevents blossom end rot in some plants. Together, they give peche extra minerals to grow healthier.